Okay, so basically we are discussing that this is the problem. So we can, if a good retransmission policy is needed, then we can prevent this congestion. And now the retransmission policy, which is used by the TCP. We will discuss TCP, UDP, transmission control protocol, then UDP. We will discuss about that. But let's till now, you only know that the retransmission policy which is used by the TCP, that doesn't occur congestion. In that transmission policy, the congestion doesn't occur. So this is the retransmission policy. And next, the second policy that is used is the window policy. Now this window policy, if you remember, we have already discussed in the sliding window protocol. In sliding window protocol, if you remember, there is selective repeat ARQ, automatic repeat request, and go back in ARQ. These two are present in their selective repeat ARQ and go back in ARQ. That if you remember the working principle, of go back in ARQ, in go back in ARQ, what happens? Sender will send the frame to the receiver. There is two sender and receiver present. Sender will do what? Sender will send frame to the receiver. In that case, sender will send the frame to the receiver. Now, frame 1 sent, it is correctly received, acknowledgement is received by the sender. The receiver sends acknowledgement and it is, the sender receives the acknowledgement. Then again, frame 2 is sent to the, let's say in the frame 2 is sent to the receiver, and also frame 2 is correctly received by the receiver. So receiver sends the acknowledgement of the frame 2 also. Then during the frame 3 transmission, let's say their problem happens that during the frame 3 transmission, this lost in the middle of the channel, the frame is lost. So that means receiver doesn't receive the frame. So that's why if it doesn't receive the frame, it doesn't send the acknowledgement. But what? Sender will stop. Sender will not stop here. Sender will send frame 4, then frame 5. Like this, it will send the frame. But after some time, there is a time interval present. There is a time division, a time interval present. So it sees after that time interval that frame 1, frame 2, frame 4, frame 5, all it's received. Acknowledgement is received. But frame 3 is not received. So it will do what? From frame 3, there is 5 frames present. So that means from frame 3, it will again started to sending the frames. This is what for the go back ARQ that goes from that portion from where the acknowledgement doesn't receive, and from after that, all the packets should be retransmitted again. This is the go back in ARQ. If you remember that this is the go back in ARQ. Now that means what? Same things we are repeatedly sending, because frame 4 and frame 5 is correctly received by the receiver. So that why we will send it, because same things we are sending again. So this is the problem for the go back in ARQ. That same frames from frame 3 again, this will be sent from frame 3, frame 4, frame 5. Again, this same frames will be sent by the sender and receiver will receive that. So that means same things will go and it will increases the congestion. But to avoid this, selective repeat ARQ is used. In case of selective repeat ARQ, only the frames which doesn't receive by the receiver, only particular that frame should be retransmitted. Only particularly that frame should be retransmitted. So that means here, if we take the same example, only F3 is to be transmitted. No need to send F3, F4, F5 again. So that's why this is the window policy. that selective repeat ARQ is better to avoid the congestion. To avoid the congestion, selective repeat automatic repeat request is better than the go back N ARQ. This is the window policy. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो बाकी सबका क्लियर है? बाकी सबका? जयदीप, मर्गान, निशु, सुचित्रा,
Yes, sir.
सुचित्रा क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
So in the next class, we will see about this, we will see the other policies. So in next class, first we will see the other policies. Okay, so thank you everyone. Now, in this time, quickly scan your QR codes. And after scanning the QR codes, if you think that you have some questions, you can ask, and otherwise I will stop the session. So quickly scan the QR code. So everyone scan the QR code. It is completed. Everyone scan the QR code.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then thank you everyone. I am ending the session.